I was really pleased to be part of the pilot group because I like the fact that we were approached, like normal residents, tenants were approached to be asked our opinion on things, because obviously it's us that has to deal with this on a day-to-day basis. The people, it was all online mainly, and the people were lovely. We were able to compare similar problems, similar issues. So it was good. It was good to see that it's not just me sometimes that has issues like a door entrance system and things like that, and things that get done quickly. And it was just, no, I enjoyed it.
Yes, it was a very interesting experience, and it was also very valuable experience. It was an honor for me to contribute to the development of the council.
I was part of the pilot group and I found that quite an interesting experience. Actually, I thought it was an excellent experience because I was able to ask questions about how it's being formulated and see the backgrounds of what was being done. And they even asked for our contributions, and we could see that what we contributed was actually being integrated into the development of the portal. And we thought that that was quite interesting and quite informative because you were able to see what things were going on in the background. Also, what we found about in the pilot group was that we were able to see each stage as it came about, and we were able to even test out the beta stage and use real life examples. So it was really good to be a part of the development of the portal using the pilot scheme. So I thought that was really, really, really great.